Hey everybody, Bruce here with Stock Markets with Bruce. Welcome to my channel today. Today's video is all about a new phenomenon that is taking over the stock markets. It is being called the Robinhood phenomenon. And what does that mean? I'll tell you, it is unbelievable. By the way, thank you for subscribing to my channel, Stock Markets with Bruce. Thank you for giving these videos thumbs ups. I really appreciate it. I love getting your comments. Thank you, everybody. New York City, this is the financial center of the world, and the thinking was that it would always be the financial center of the planet. And, to a degree, you got to say, yeah, that's kind of true, but there are other hubs out there. But there is something else happening, and it's the Robinhood Effect. Those of you who don't know, Robinhood is the name of an app that you can trade stocks for free. You can buy and sell shares. You can also buy and sell fractional shares. In other words, if Apple is trading at $420 a share and you haven't got $420 to buy a single share, don't despair. Don't put your head in the pillow and cry. No. Open up a Robinhood account, and for $5 you can buy $5 worth of Apple, or $20 worth of Apple, or $50. You could stay in the basement, do what this guy's doing, give it up, and just play video games in mom and dad's basement. But that's not happening. A lot of millennials right now, Gen Ys, are in North America anyway. They're stuck at home. A lot of them have been stuck at home for quite some time, and they've been idle to a degree, but they've also been doing something else. They've been studying because they're used to studying. Unlike us, me and my microphone here, I love talking to you on YouTube. Other folks my age, you know what they want to do? They want to travel, and they will as soon as they can, and that is their future. But Gen Y, Gen Z, millennials, all the gens that are behind us, these kids in their 20s and 30s, they're not looking at retirement for the next 20, 30, 40 years. And they're not thinking about what we're thinking about, long-term investing. They're looking to make some money. Over here in Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, you name all the countries in the Middle East and in Asia where there are millions, hundreds of millions of young adults that are all now connected to the internet. These folks are starting to open up day trading accounts as well, fractional trading accounts. Now, some of them do want to be day traders. They want to join the traders here in Hong Kong. They want to become hotshot investors. Fair enough. But a lot of them, they're looking at this going, I can buy and sell stock for virtually nothing and do it myself and do my own research. And you know what? I'm going to take my chances. I'm going to build a portfolio. Some of these folks are putting in $10, $20, $50, $100 a month and just building a portfolio slowly but surely. Others are definitely looking for a quick flip. There are a lot of trades going on in penny stocks because the thinking is I buy in at 4 cents and sell at 8. I've just doubled my money. Where else can I do that real fast? The traders on the floor, they're holding their breath going, what is going on? These major markets are reaching new highs in the middle of a global pandemic. The desk traders, the professional traders, and all these other stockbrokers, they're watching the markets, trying to figure it out. And what they're not realizing is the fact that, hey, this guy's saying, these kids who are coming into this market, if there's 1 billion of them coming in the next year to start trading, and they're going to trade with $100 each, you know how much money that is? That's $100 billion moving around on a daily basis. And what are they buying? They're buying Tesla stock. It's a stock they know. They know this company. They're buying Apple because they have an Apple phone. They're buying Nike shares because they wear Nike. They're buying McDonald's shares because they eat there. They're picking up Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. They're buying and selling COVID vaccine developer stocks. They're picking up the latest, newest company to go public, especially in the social media area. Anything to do with the new world in which they are going to be part of, they're in. They're studying the markets. They're studying the shares. They're figuring out how to get in and get out of stock. And they're coming into the market from India, the United Kingdom, Russia, Japan, all over Asia, soon South America. Wherever you have internet, they're coming into this market, and they're not going to leave, because in the next 2 years, as this COVID thing hopefully plays itself out, a A lot of these kids who had office jobs, they were in their late 20s, early 30s, they won't have office jobs anymore. Those jobs might be gone forever. They might be working from home on an ongoing basis. They might not be restricted as much as they've been in the past, but they definitely will be working from home, and it will be normal for them to do that, which means they have plenty of time to keep an eye on the markets and keep trading shares. Guys in New York don't know that, don't believe it. They're not quite getting it, I don't think, but a lot of them are, and the markets are changing, I think, forever. It'll be most interesting. Billions of new investors instead of millions of investors. What a concept. Thank you again for subscribing to my channel, Stock Markets with Bruce. Love your thumbs ups, love your comments. Keep an eye on my channel. We'll look to bring up a new video every once in a while. In the meantime, you guys take care, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.